Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Cooking and Life. Today I am going to show you a quick, healthy and delicious breakfast recipe. Poha, ready in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, take some poha, rinse it gently with water for a few seconds and then drain it completely. Make sure you don't soak it too long, otherwise, it will become mushy. Keep it aside. Now, heat 1 teaspoon oil in a pan, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and let them splatter. Then, add a few curry leaves and chopped green chilies, and we will add some chopped tomatoes also. Now, add 2 teaspoon of peanut and cook them for a minute until they become crunchy. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and mix it well. As per your, add some salt also. Now it's time to add the soaked poha. Mix everything gently so that the poha doesn't break. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. If needed, sprinkle a little water to keep it soft. Finally, add fresh coriander leaves and a squeeze of lemon juice for that fresh flavor. Your quick and tasty poha is ready to serve. Serve it hot and enjoy this light and healthy breakfast with your family. If you like this recipe, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Easy Cooking and Life. Thank you for watching.